A drive-by parade for little kids in one New Jersey town drew criticism from the mayor and led to a plan for new restrictions. Jane Burnett spoke to a resident who watched teachers drive down the route outside her home.
I saw people holding rainbow signs. I had balloons outside of my house that I had installed that day. The idea that we're all trying to put on a brave face and do what's best for our community, and also not upset our children, and try to give them some sense of normalcy and in this new normal.
In a Facebook update Tuesday, Westfield Mayor Shelley Brindle said residents had complained about the lack of social distance compliance during the Washington Elementary School teacher parade. She added, "While I can appreciate the good intentions of the organizers to bring a smile to the faces of these now remote students, I certainly would have discouraged the parade if asked, so as not to encourage families to congregate along the route." Brindle wrote that as of 5 p.m. Friday, there will be new restrictions to foster social distancing in town, including closing school parking lots and sports courts. Morano said emails went out before the event reminding people not to get too close.
So they were concerned about it before they did it, just to be sure. But, it's hard because people must have walked up to the corners. And, it's hard to tell, too, because if it was families with kids, they might have been closer together. I don't know, but I do understand the mayor being concerned for sure. So I see both sides.
She also said she didn't see anyone go near the parade cars.
I'm standing on the sidewalk. Do you see loads of people? That's why I was shocked. People were on their lawns. People were at their porches. They were standing at a safe social distance.
In an email, Washington Elementary Principal Andrew Perry said, quote, "The last thing we need during these difficult times is hurt feelings. With all due respect, we are not interested in continuing the conversation. These are troubling days and everyone is doing their best to get by." I'm Jane Burnett for Chasing News.